Do you know the stories behind these WNBA superstars' nicknames? First, A'ja Wilson's nickname is the Beast, because no one can stop her under the rim. Her strength, explosion, and dominance make the Beast the most perfect description of her. She once laughed and said, "I just want to win, but if that makes me a beast, I'll take it." Second, Angel Reese is called Bayou Barbie. She said, "I can wear makeup and still fight for rebounds." Third, Caitlin Clark's nickname is Logo Clark. She shoots from the team logo ridiculously far and ridiculously accurate. Fourth, Sophie Cunningham's nickname is the Enforcer. Fans gave her this name because she's never afraid of contact and always stands up for her teammates. She's known as Caitlin Clark's protector. Fifth, Diana Taurasi is the White Mamba. Taurasi once said, "I don't need to imitate anyone, but I understand the weight of the Mamba mentality." So, do you know why Taurasi is called the White Mamba? If you already know, drop it in the comments. If you're not sure, hit follow and leave a comment, I'll tell you the answer.